Do you see my face this side? All my imperfections? Do you see the full coverage? Hi everyone, my name is Maine and in today's tutorial it's all about getting a full coverage base to boost your confidence. Alright, so let's get started. I am going to prep my skin and use one of my new favorites, is the Rose Glow Mist. It looks like this. Basically this is to prep, hydrate and refresh your face. And trust me, you want to use a generous amount. That smells amazing. We're ready to apply our foundation. This might just be my perfect shade, Revlon, and it is the shade Early Tan 390. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply half on my face, half foundation, half no foundation, in order for you guys to be able to see the full effect, right? So I'm going to apply using a brush. And now we're going to use a damp beauty blender to blend out any harsh lines. This base is popping. I'm going to go and finish up the rest of my face and be right back. Okay, so now that our foundation is on, nicely done, basically everything is on one page, we're going to move on to our concealer. Now this is, I think, my favorite part, because once you put on the concealer and you contour, your face starts coming to life again. So I'll be using the new Colorstay Skin Awakening Concealer in the shade 60. This is how this bad boy looks. So for us today, for that extra full coverage, we're gonna go right in, concealing under our eyes, on our T-zone, as well as below our lips. A lovely trick I'd like to add for you guys is, before we blend out or buff out our concealer, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit while we apply our contour, buff out our contour, then come back to our concealer. So for contour today, I'm actually going to use the shade 435 in Cappuccino, and I'll be using this brush right here. When you're contouring and you haven't done your eye makeup, it's really nice to kind of drag it out underneath your eyebrow. Alright, now we're gonna blend it all out. I'll be using a brush first to blend it out. This is the brush I'll be using. This is my foundation brush. And if you notice, when I blend out my contour, this area from my eye going down, I blend it inwards. From my eye going up, I blend it outwards. So now you want to do is you want to take your beauty blender, and on the same side where your foundation is, blend out your face. Now that we've blended out all of our concealer, we want to kind of correct and blend out our contour. So I'm going to go set my face with my setting powder, and then I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and be right back. Alright, I'm back. Now that I've done the rest of my face, we're going to do the best part once again. So I like to use this twice. I like to use this to prep and hydrate, and I also like to use this as a finishing spray. And that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out more tutorials just like this one right here on Beauty Base.